Hello everyone, welcome to my SAT series where we solve SAT questions every day so that you have questions to solve for your exam. So please pause the video now if you'd like to solve the question beforehand and see how you do. So given the following system of equations, ax plus 4y equals c and 16x plus 1/4 y equals 1/10, what is the value of constant c if the system has an infinite amount of solutions? So first thing we have to know is what does it mean if a system has an infinite amount of solutions? Well, in this case, it's going to mean that our equations are going to be equal to each other. So first thing we can do is we can kind of look at our equations here. So we have a constant a, x plus 4y is equal to c. And then we have our second equation is 16x plus 1/4 y is equal to 1/10. Well, our variables here of a and c are both constants, so that just means it's just a number, any number. So we can see that our x terms actually equal each other already because a is just represented as a constant. So a can be 1/6 in this situation and they'll be equal. So we see that our y terms aren't equal to each other though, because in our first equation, our y term is 4, and our second equation, it's 1/4. So then finally we see on our solution here, we have c, another constant, that can equal 1/10. So we know that those can be equal. So our solution here is going to lie with our y term here. We have to make this bottom equation look like this top equation of 4y. So we can multiply our bottom equation by 16, and 16 divided by 4 is going to equal our 4y, and it'll make these terms equal. So when we do that, what we have is 16 over 6x plus 16 divided by 4 is 4y, and then we have 16 over 10 as our c term. So what we have here is we have a is going to be equal to 16 over 6, which we can reduce that down to be 8/3. Our y terms are the same, and then we have our constant c is going to be equal to 16 over 10, which is, we can divide by 2, we have 8/5. So going back to our question here, we have, what is the value of constant c? Well, right here, constant c is going to be equal to 8/5. So please like and subscribe if this was helpful, and let me know in the comments below.